Dive into the journey of Luís Vaz de Camões, presenting the places visited by the greatest poet of Portugal.
Luís Vaz de Camões is considered the greatest poet in Portugal. He fought in Morocco, where he lost an eye during combat as a soldier in the Portuguese army. He lived in India, where he served as a soldier for 2 years. He was in Arabia, Persia, and on the coast of East Africa on military expeditions launched from the Portuguese India. In Macau, he was the chief ombudsman of the dead, in charge of administering the assets of missing and deceased soldiers in the East. He was shipwrecked in the Mekong River along the coast of Cambodia before finally returning to Goa and then stopping in Mozambique for nearly 2 years, then to Lisbon.
He was in Banda in the Maluku archipelago, and it was during his stay in Ternate that he began to write Os Lusíadas, which he would later continue in Macau in a hidden cave, the favorite refuge of all poets. In 1572, he published Os Lusíadas, which is still considered as the most important work in Portuguese literature. The epic poem celebrates the discovery of a sea route to India by Portuguese explorer Vasco da Gama 1469 to 1524. The work is composed of 10 cantos and a total of 1,102 stanzas, assuming a fantastic interpretation of this 15th and 16th century voyage. We will explore some of the places described by Camões in his monumental poem and learn more about the poet himself.
Olympus, Greece. The beginning of Os Lusíadas sees the gods of Greece being called upon to decide whether or not the Portuguese will succeed in their travels. Watching Vasco da Gama's journey from Mount Olympus, the gods share loyalties. Venus favors the Portuguese, but Bacchus opposes it, who in the poem is associated with the Orient and is not a fan of the newcomers to his territory. Later on the voyage, unable to accept the good fortune of the Portuguese, Bacchus urges the locals to attack the explorer and his crew, jeopardizing the Portuguese voyage. The first few lines are a great introduction to Camões' and Baron's mark, that of the western Lusitania beach, by seas never sailed before. They passed even beyond Taprobane, in striving dangers and wars more than human strength promised.
The island of Mozambique, Nampula Province, Mozambique. This island's name is derived from Ali Musa bin Biki, Sultan of that island. This name was then adopted by the mainland country, now modern as Mozambique, and the island was renamed Ilha de Moçambique. The Portuguese established a port and naval base there in 1507 and built the chapel of Nossa Senhora do Baularte in 1522, today considered as the oldest European building in the southern Hampshire. In Os Lusíadas, the Portuguese fleet arrives at the island of Mozambique, and they are initially received by Muslims who promised them supplies and a pilot to take them to India because they felt intimidated by the power of the ships. Camões knew the island well, having lived there from 1567 to 1569.
Malindi, Kenya. Travelers spend several days in Malindi, now known as Malindi on the east coast of Africa. Camões makes Gama tell the whole history of Portugal to the king of Malindi, from its origins to the beginning of his journey, which is found in corners 3, 4, and 5. Here in stanza 87, Gama explains the apprehension felt before the trip, which began on the beaches of Belém near Lisbon. So we set out from the holy temple who sits on the shores of the sea. That name has on the land, for example, whence God came in the flesh to the given world. I assure you, O king, that I behold, as I was separated from these beaches, filled with doubt and fear, that only in my eyes I put the brakes.
Battle of Ourique, Beja, Portugal. Presenting in Cantos 3 another example of descriptive passages by Camões, the Battle of Ourique is the confrontation between the forces of the Portuguese prince Afonso Henriques of the House of Burgundy, Orbin Eric, and the Almoravids led by Ali bin Yusuf. In Camões' poem, Afonso Henriques defeats Ali bin Yusuf and 4 other kings after having a vision of Christ. As a result, this leads him to paint 5 shields on the flag of Portugal.
In the Mekong Delta, Vietnam. Camões alludes to his shipwreck in the Mekong Delta in Os Lusíadas, but very briefly. It was along the Cambodian coast that Camões had problems and shipwreck.
His lover Dinamene, who was traveling with Camões from China, unfortunately did not survive the accident, but the poet assured that his manuscript of Os Lusíadas would be safe. The story goes that Camões risked his life for the manuscript, holding it in the air as he swam to the beach, so that the pile of papers wouldn't get soaked. He continued to work on the epic before returning to Lisbon.